Hey, this is Chris Lewis with Nevada Cool, and I just wanted to show you one thing that I see a lot of YouTubers don't show when they put in mini split systems. So hold on a second, let me show you this. So if you go to Harbor Freight and you get a $69 vacuum pump, right? All you have to do is hook the lines up before you open anything up. And what you're going to do is on this unit, there's one fitting here where you can attach into the suction side, and the suction side is usually the tube that's a little bit bigger, so you notice the diameter. This one's pretty small, this one's larger. So you attach into that and run the blue line, which is the suction side, all the way back to a manifold gauge, and you connect the yellow line right back up to the manifold, to the vacuum pump, right? And then what I've done is isolated it. So I pumped it down to 30, isolated it, and we're gonna open that up, right? And we're gonna wait for 30 minutes. Well, that's actually 15 to 20, but 30 is a good time period. Just wait for 30 minutes, and as long as that is still reading around 30, you're good to go. So after that point, all you have to do is take your lines off. So we're going to take the line off, recap it, tighten it, don't go nuts, it's nuts, guerrilla warfare. So normally you use a refrigeration wrench, especially if you're supposed to be a heating and air conditioning guy like me. But unfortunately I forgot them, so we're gonna use Allen keys. Right? So we're gonna place the Allen key in here and open up the line. And you're gonna backseat it all the way until it stops. You'll cap it. And we'll do the same thing for the high side. So now the system is open. Heating and air conditioning systems are set up on something called a hermetic seal, right? Which means that it basically goes in a loop. So that is all that's there to it. You should check for leaks. You use a leak detector. You can use soap, but I would wipe it off because it is corrosive. That's it.